This is Austin with Gallegos Plumbing, doing a drain inspection at 292 Mackay Avenue in the city of Ventura. So right now, I camered through the 2-inch roof vent to scope the cast iron drains in the slab. Right now, I'm looking at the ABS to cast iron connection that is just outside the kitchen window. I'm going to start pulling back to show you guys the cast iron pipes. Cast iron pipes typically have a lifespan of 50 to 60 years. We can see on the right side of the screen that buildup that's starting to happen on the bottom or the bottom right of the screen. When these drain lines are in very poor condition, my camera would potentially be underwater, or what we call bottomed out, when the bottom of the drain line kind of has no bottom left to it. But you can see the flakiness kind of on the right and left side of the monitor here, where it's starting to kind of get that buildup. What I did see underneath the sinks too is that there are areas that have the buildup in them underneath the sinks, the calcification kind of that's going on. You can kind of see here where this roundness is getting a little bit more ovalized and not perfectly round. So they're definitely starting to deteriorate. And typically maximum lifespan of cast iron drains is 60 years. So I would recommend, if you plan on doing any remodeling, to potentially replace these cast iron drains. But I don't see any water holding or any root intrusion or anything in these cast iron drains. But I did see, like I said, a lot of calcification buildup underneath the sinks. So at minimum, I'd recommend replacing the drains and the walls for those sinks, the vanities and the kitchen sink. Then we're going to make a 90-degree turn. You can see this section of pipe here has a bit more buildup in it. It's not fully round. There's lots of buildup in the bottom of the pipe where it's kind of getting ovalized. So this, back toilet may have issues potentially, just because it's not its full odometer. So I'm going to come up my roof vent now. Wipe off my camera lens. Here I am at 292 Mackay, and that completes my inspection.